everyone. Working on the tough key of D flat, and I was trying to play the song Stomping at the Savoy. And I have talked about this so many times that, and I'll do this real quick in the key of C, as you move from the 3 chord down to the 2 chord, passing through the diminished chord like this, there are many different 7th chords that can be suggested by this, and Barry Harris talks about this a lot, the family of the 4 dominants. So as you go down to E flat diminished, and where I'm going with this is some pentatonic scales that you saw me do a minute ago. So if you just change one note of this diminished chord, you can get various 7th chords. Like for instance, if I change that, I get F 7th. If I change this, I get A flat 7th. If I change this, I get B 7th. And you can use the pentatonics for those diminished chords as well. The neatest sounding choices to make here on this diminished chord would be a half step below the key that you're in, B, or a minor third below that, A flat. So in other words, as I'm going from, now here comes the diminished chord, and I'll do a B pentatonic scale, or an A flat pentatonic scale. And that one's pretty easy to do. The reason I'm doing this in the key of D flat now is because the 2 pentatonics are much easier. Stomping at the Savoy. All right. And now here, you can go to the diminished chord, going down to the E flat minor. And so what I'm going to choose is the pentatonic. I'm in the key of D flat, so it's either a C or an A pentatonic. So see, it's got a pretty cool sound. This is a sound that's been around for a long time. I just don't hear a lot of younger cats using it. It's always something a little more complicated, like that, which is kind of using the same principle. The other one, like that. And look, it's like it's an A 7th move, F minor, E flat diminished like that, and still use the same pentatonics. That was the C pentatonic there. And then the A pentatonic kind of works out the same way. I just thought that was interesting. Just remember that whatever key you're in, let's say we're in E flat, all right? As you move from the 3 to the diminished down to the 2, remember the 2 7th chords that you can use. You're in the key of E flat, so one is going to be a D 7th and the other is going to be a B 7th, right? What are we doing? That was the D 7th. What did I say the other one was? B 7th. Of course, B 7th is one of the harder ones. There's a couple ways to do it. Going up, you can just use 3 fingers. Coming down, you can use the same thing. Yeah, it's fun.